well, when the strong young man of the rising sun heard the tolling of the great black bell. One day, the year of the fox, when the bell began to ring, it meant the time had come for one to go to the temple of the king. There in the middle of the circle he stands, searching, seeking. With just one touch of his trembling hand, the answer will be found. Daylight waits while the old man sings, heaven, help me. And then like the rush of 1,000 wings, it shines upon the one, and the day had just begun. One day, the year of the fox came, a time remembered well, when the strong young man of the rising sun had the tolling at the great black bell. One day, the year of the fox, when the bell began to sing, it meant the time had come for the one to go to the temple of the king. There in the middle of the people he stands, seeing, feeling. With just one wave of a strong right hand, he's gone to the temple of the king. Circle at the edge of the world, he's hoping, wondering, thinking back from the story he's heard of what he's gonna see. There in the middle of the circle it lies, heaven, help me. Then all could see by the shine in his eyes, the answer had been found. Back with the people in the circle he stands, giving, feeling. With just one touch of a strong right hand, they know of the temple